In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image transparent in Word using the latest versions, including Word for Microsoft 365 and Word 2021. This is a great way to enhance your documents by giving them a professional touch, and it's simpler than you might think. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to insert the image you'd like to work with into your Word document. To do this, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. From the options provided, select Pictures. This will prompt you with different ways to choose your image, such as from your device, a stock image, or an online source. Pick your image, and it will be added to the document where your cursor is placed. Once your image is in the document, you'll need to select it. This is easily done by clicking on the image. When you select the image, you'll notice that a new tab appears on the ribbon at the top of the screen, labeled as the Picture Format tab. This tab contains all the tools you'll need for editing and formatting your image. Now, let's focus on adding transparency. Within the Picture Format tab, look for the Transparency button. Clicking this will show you a set of preset transparency levels, ranging from 0% to 50% or more. These presets offer a quick way to adjust the transparency if you have a specific level in mind. However, if you want to customize the transparency further or need a specific transparency level that's not listed, you can do so by clicking on Picture Transparency Options. This action will open up the Format Picture pane on the right side of your Word document. Here, you'll find a slider labeled Transparency. Simply click and drag this slider to set the transparency to your preferred level. You can see the changes applied to your image in real time, allowing you to adjust easily until you achieve the look you favor. Once you've set the transparency, you might want to modify how text interacts with your newly transparent image. For example, you may find it appealing to have text on top of the image. To do this, navigate back to the Picture Format tab and look for Wrap Text. Here, you can choose options like Behind Text, which allows your text to flow seamlessly over the image, creating a sleek, integrated look. And there you have it. Your image is now transparent and can interact with your text in just the way you want it. This transparent effect can really elevate a document, making it stand out while retaining clarity and readability. Remember, exploring these tools in Word can have a powerful impact on your documents, so don't hesitate to experiment with different transparency levels and text layouts to find what works best for your design needs.